Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. Firstly, I want to wish you a very happy new year.
Thank you, and same to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Thank you for this, beautiful time of yours.
All my
Uh,
pleasure.
well, ma'am, you're one of those actors, who have had the record of working in all the creative mediums, whether it is theater, I'm including the Nukkad Nataks and the mainstream theater on television, films, and now the OTT platforms. So being a senior artist who has been in the industry, since so long, what do you have to say about the changing mentality of the audience?
Yes. So I think audience was very naive earlier. They were very simple and they were happy with whatever was, served to them. But now it is good also that the audience has become very intelligent. But at some point of time it seems as if they are like over intelligent rather than earlier people used to enjoy. Now people has have lost that, you know they just criticize or they judge things more than they used to do earlier. Earlier, I know how people used to go for any movie and they used to enjoy each and every movie. They never, I've never seen in my family, my parents or my cousins coming and then discussing about the वो film में ऐसा हुआ था, but how is this possible? Oh यार क्या क्या दिखा देते हैं. So nobody used to crib about those 3 hours film. But now, whether it is a serial or it's a film or a web series, most of the time people have become so intelligent and so, they have become a part of this media. So everybody knows everything. They also know it. Not that they are lame. They know everything. They know अरे कैमरा का काम अच्छा नहीं था या कंटिन्यूटी जर्क था डायलॉग अच्छे से नहीं बोला हिंदी गलत थी so they know it also so I think they are not enjoying it as much as those people earlier used to enjoy.
मैम अभी आपने जैसे ऑडियंस की बात करी तो अभी मैं इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग यू जस्ट वेंट टू वॉच राम प्रसाद की 13वीं विच इज अ
Yeah.
डायरेक्टोरियल या वेंचर ऑफ सीमा पावाजी who's again also a theater artist and a very good friend of yours. So I just need to know, I mean, how was the experience, and that to be uh, watching a friend as a director, how was it? And what is your impression about the movie?
Okay, see, Seema ji has been a very fabulous actor on stage and even in films and serials.
Of course.
So there was no doubt that she must have done some good work. But when we saw the film, she has written it also, and
Yes.
it's a story of a family where someone has died and how the whole, that relative का जो एक agenda होता है हर मतलब everybody will relate to it because I have recently lost my father in March. So I know what all discussions takes place, जो कि बाद में आप सोचो तो आपको लगता है ये क्या बात पे discussion कर रहे थे. But I think each and every person will relate to the film a lot because मेरे ख्याल से हर जगह वो ही सब चलता है. Um, it says a lot about parent and their children relationship and about like how when you grow your relationship changes with your brother and sisters, your siblings. You are not the same again. You have complaints now and like you judge each other. You are together and you remember the childhood, but still, everybody has their own life and everybody is so different once they are grown up. And how, like, parents, they think like they are doing everything for the kids and they, like, neglect their own life. And when the kids are gone, when the kids are grown up, they have their own kids, and everybody is busy in their own life, then those parents they realize that we haven't done anything about ourselves, we haven't thought about ourselves. And then that difference and that distance between parents and the children who are busy in their own life. Nobody is able to give that much time to their parents as much as the parents expects.
मैम अभी आपने जैसे बात करी दैट द कंप्लेंट्स क्रॉप अप एज वी टेंड टू ग्रो विद टाइम लेकिन अभी कोरोना का ऐसा पेंडेमिक का टाइम था विच एक्चुअली गेव अस सम मोमेंट्स सम क्वालिटी मोमेंट्स विद द फैमिली और जहां तक मैं आपको जानती हूँ यू आर अ वेरी क्रिएटिव पर्सन एंड क्रिएटिव माइंड इज नेवर एट रेस्ट and so how did you spend your lockdown time? And if I'm not wrong, Good Luck season 2 is all set to stream live on
Yes.
TVF, that is on
So yeah.
January 15th. So I would want you to talk about it.
Yeah, definitely. So the first question, how I cope up with this lockdown thing, I went home back after 3 years, and I was
Okay.
very excited. Yeah, and but unfortunately, that was the time when I lost my father, and it all happened very suddenly. So I was supposed to come back after a week's time, and then I got stuck with that 12 Thinky Puja and all, and then the lockdown happened. So I was not mentally prepared for that. And yes, why I was able to relate to the film Ram Prasad Ki Telvi a lot more, because when we get out of our own cities and hometowns, we become part of the place where we are living most of the time. So there is a gap, a thin gap of understanding between how people in that city think and how we start thinking. So it was fun, but I could see so many different things, so many differences between my siblings and myself. But yes, because we are grown up or nothing was so drastic, so yes, we all were very together and we were very happy together later on. Like we used to cook whole day. I learned cake making, I learned idli making. Like we used to have nice time over there. We shared a lot of things that we were not able to do when we were in like different cities, because हर कोई अपनी अपनी लाइफ में busy होता है. My sister is a teacher, my brother is a businessman, I am here. So yeah, we do talk, we have a WhatsApp group and all, but जो एक आमने सामने और एक उतनी जो आत्मीयता से बात होती है ना, वो इस लॉकडाउन में ही हो पाई. And then we realized how much we all have grown up and how much we all have lost in this transaction. But after a while, after 2 months, I got bored because I was missing my busy life over here and my husband was stuck in Bombay. So then it was like I wanted to come back to Bombay. How I knew. And I told my sister and my brother also, oh my God, enough now. I can't handle this more. I used to tell them I am the most like talkative and naughtiest in my family. So I told them, okay, if I ever make a mistake and I pick up a fight, please forgive me because I'm losing my mind now. It was then I started making some YouTube videos. I started chatting with people and I started, I joined a lot of groups, those who were helping strangers and people, distributing food, taking care of animals. And I started doing all those things. So when I came back in June, I think in June, then it felt as if, oh, मैं अभी तो आई थी, अब मैं जा भी रही हूँ. So वो टाइम कैसे बीत गया पता नहीं चला, पर शुरू में मुझे ऐसा लगा था अब मैं क्या करूं. I was very very like upset कि इतने कब तक रुकूंगी यहाँ. Every time I was doing a ticket और 2 दिन बाद पता चलता था नहीं वो तो कैंसिल हो गया, नहीं जा सकते, अभी तो ये रूल है, अभी वो रूल है, अभी आपको टेस्ट कराए बिना नहीं जा सकते, अभी रोड्स ब्लॉक है. Oh God, that was very difficult time. And then you had asked me about Good Luck 2.
Season 2, yes.
Yes, season 2. So we
Set to
had a
stream.
very nice time in while shooting Good Luck 1, and it was very well appreciated and accepted by the people. So we all were waiting, and especially during lockdown, when for 6-7 months not a single person had done any work, no new work was coming, all the work that was pending was getting postponed because of epidemic. So we were very excited, because when we got a call from TPF and they told us, "Okay, yes, now we are ready and we will be shooting." So it was a relief. Oh my God, thank God we are doing it. So we had workshops for a week here, and then we went to Bhopal, and with all precautions, we shot it. And yes, now it's going to be released on 15th. We all are very, very happy, very, very excited. Especially
I'm
I
so
am very excited because my character is so wacky, I can't tell you.
मैम सो एम आई बिकॉज गुल्लेक सीजन 1 को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला था मुझे
बहुत
एंड
अच्छा response मिला
and
था.
you know it's relatable, it's relatable. And
Yes.
so ma'am, you just talked about OTT. I just need to know from you, you know, that OTT has got enormous popularity during the time of lockdown, when especially most of the filmmakers, they decided to release their movies on the OTT
Yeah.
platforms. But OTT means that everyone has the access to mobiles, from a 5-year old to an 80-year old. Obviously,
Yeah.
5-year old doesn't, he or she doesn't understand a cinema of that level. But I just need to know from you that, don't you think, being an artist, that a censorship is required to control some content, which is I mean,
I
which
can
is just
yeah, very, very, very true. Because even there are so many series which I haven't watched the second season just because of this cause. Because I felt, because no one is going to, like, control you or ban you. So people are free to say anything, show anything. It is a bit too much. I am myself an artist, and I know, like, when we are performing, we are performing, we are doing a character. It's not what we really are. And whatever we show, whatever stories are told, they happen. It's not that out of the blue you are picking up a subject and making a film or an series on it. Yes, good, bad, ugly, everything happens. But being sensible, it's our duty, being an artist, being creative person, it is our duty to select what and how much you want to show aesthetically.
And ma'am, where do you see the future of OTT platforms? I mean,
I'm very scared, Hina, because now everybody is making a series, everybody is making a film, and everybody is getting a chance to
yeah.
show it. There are few, channels and few, like, things you must be knowing about them. I don't want to say the name,
Yeah.
which I think doesn't even need to be there. They don't need to exist.
Yes.
Like, why are they there? Why are
And
they there? Please?
and the kind of relevance? I mean, is there any
No
kind of relevance?
relevance, no knowledge, no message,
Yes,
and
absolutely.
everybody is watching it. It's not like कि आपका टीवी में रात का 2 बजे का स्लॉट है तो kids can't see it.
Mm-hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है. अडल्ट फिल्म का सर्टिफिकेट मिला है तो आप एंट्री नहीं कर सकते हो हॉल में. हम मेरे को याद है जब हम लोग छोटे थे, जिन फिल्म्स को ए सर्टिफिकेट मिलता था हमको वो वापस भेज देते. अगर हमारे पापा मम्मी के साथ भी जा रहे हैं मान लिया हम, तो वो बोलते थे बच्चे नहीं जा सकते. बट दैट थिंग इज लाइक इट्स गॉन इन एयर नाउ. तो ओटीटी पे तो सब जो भी आप दिखाओ सब कुछ देख रहे हैं. मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ, देखो सबको सब कुछ पता ही होता है, but do you need to show it, and in, like, which context you want to show them and why do you want to show them? It is better you have some educational knowledge in schools rather than showing them, because then nobody is there to guide them. They just see it for fun, and you never know what a person is perceiving out of it. So there are a few things I think which has to be controlled. Language has to be controlled. Even, like, there has to be some censorship.
मैम जैसे अभी आपने अपने फादर साहब की बात करी कि और मैं पूछना चाह रही थी बट आई जस्ट आई थिंक आपके शायद घर उनका बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस रहा है आपके ऊपर टू शेप यू एज एन एक्टर
Yeah.
बिकॉज घर में शायद आपके बहुत ज्यादा आर्टिस्टिक सा माहौल था और कुछ ऐसा था यूज टू हेल्प यू इन राइटिंग एंड बिकॉज अ वेरी फ्यू पीपल नो दैट यू आर ऑल्सो अ राइटर आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट
I
ऑल्सो
just that is like very. I just wrote something for myself. Nothing. I haven't done any great writing, but you know what? My mother used to read a lot, so I got that habit of reading from my mother. And my father, he was a film lover.
ओके
Like we used to watch each and every film every Friday. Like बिन माँ के बच्चे जैसी पिक्चर भी देखी है हमने, संतोषी माँ पिक्चर भी देखी है हमने. पता नहीं मतलब सब फिल्में every Friday we used to watch. The whole family used to go, and like to somewhere I don't know, but not intentionally, but I don't know how I got this kida of acting. So I used to read because I'm from a very small town हल्द्वानी. तो उस समय मेरे जमाने में तो और भी कुछ ज्यादा डेवलप नहीं था. तो हम लोग मायापुरी एक मैगजीन आती थी, फिल्मी मैगजीन. हम उसमें मैं सबके इंटरव्यू पढ़ती थी. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक रीडिंग द इंटरव्यूज बिकॉज उससे देन यू गेट एन आइडिया व्हाट अ पर्सन इज. So, and every film, and we had record player, and my father has almost around 300 to 400 records. And we used to listen to all those old and new records. We used to have whole शोले की और मुगले आजम की पूरी फिल्म रिकॉर्ड में होती थी, हम सुनते रहते थे. तो yes, you know, so I got this kida of creativity, acting, and all from them. And then when I went to Nainital for my post graduation, the main seed was planted there because there is a group called Yug Munch.
और
I started
आई थिंक नीरज पांडे जी का भी बहुत आई थिंक
Nirmal,
ही
late Nirmal Pandey. He was doing his fellowship play for NSD.
he played a pivotal role in I think he was the one who
Very,
kept
very.
he kept
He is
motivating.
my mentor. He's my mentor and he's my godfather actually. Because in Haldwani there was no cultural activity, nothing. So I used to read books only that whatever I got from my school library. So there was nothing else. Otherwise वो गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में जो अखबार वाला लेके आता था, चंदा मामा, नंदन पराग and Reader Digest. So those were the only books available in Haldwani. So when for my post graduation I went to Nainital. So there we were in a hostel and for some annual function they said कि किसी को हम लोग हर हॉस्टल के जो है हॉस्टलर्स को परफॉर्म करना होता है. तो फ्रॉम केपी दे सेड कि कौन करेगा. आई सेड ओके आई डांस. आई यूज्ड टू डांस व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल. So it's so funny, like abhi hasi aati hai. You remember Chandni film has a classical
Yes,
that beat where she dreams and she's dancing.
yes, she's
So
dancing.
on that beat, I performed in my college.
Or in
So
your
yeah. So Nirmal Pandey saw it and he was looking for some girls who could perform in his play. So he then told us, "Okay, I want you to like join a group and all." So we were all very excited. There were two more girls, Seema Bora and Deepa Pathak. So we said, "Yeah, yeah, yeah." They used to do nukkad. They used to do, ये poetry posters, exhibitions. तो बहुत कुछ करते थे. तो अच्छा लगा, वो कुछ नया लगा.
मैम अभी
So, but
मैम अभी
yeah.
जैसे आप बात कर रहे हो कि आई थिंक यू जस्ट गॉट नॉस्टैल्जिक व्हाइल टॉकिंग अबाउट योर हॉस्टल डेज उससे मुझे याद आया इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग यू जस्ट अटेंडेड द मुंबई इंटरनेशनल कल्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवल आई थिंक व्हिच वाज काइंड ऑफ अ रीयूनियन ऑफ ऑल द एनएसडीएंस सो हाउ
Yeah,
वाज इट
it
आई
was
थिंक इट
good because I am the organizer.
Oh, so I think it brought all the artists under one roof.
Yes.
And yeah, please, इतने दिनों के बाद इतने लोगों को देखे वो भी all your friends and how was the camaraderie, how everything.
It was so much fun. It was so much fun. And it was like, relief. A huge relief. Yes, we all are there still together. because during this lockdown, you are in touch only on WhatsApp. Mostly
Yeah.
people are busy, all मूड नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है, तो एंड लाइक फैमिली में भी बिजी हो जाते हैं, तो every
Yeah.
you can't call each and every person these days. So when I told few of them ki okay, I'm doing this, I'm organizing this festival, so please whosoever can come, you come. And I was not able to call each and every friend of mine because most of them were shooting. Most of my classmates, batchmates from NSD, they were shooting, so they were not able to come. But whosoever was able, so we all met over there, and like they just saw few films. They were all chatting outside, sitting and having fun.
अच्छा, मैम, I mean, you are one of those artists जिनको theater, मैम theater में क्या है, the response is live, it's instant,
Yeah.
it's spontaneous. But when it's come, you have worked in daily soap. I mean, everybody loved your character, as Dhania in ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है.
Yeah.
And when you work for a daily soap, you have to wait for a day's TRP. पूरा एक दिन के बाद TRP आती है, उसके बाद, then you get to know that how you perform, that how would, the next scene take place.
Yeah.
Again, in films, you're catering to a global audience. And when it comes to OTT, वो तो, it's all, word of the mouth.
Yeah.
I just need to know from you that, an artist like you, who has been in industry, who knows her craft so well, is there any fear of still getting stereotyped? I mean,
You are asking about fear. It's the thing that we deal every day. I'll tell you, long back when I had just entered Bombay, I got one work where I was playing a maid. And Rajan Shahiji, who is now a big producer, he was directing that show that time. So he got very impressed by my work. So when he became a producer and he produced Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, he called me for a character. No doubt, Dhania character was a big hit. But end of the day, it was a maid. So he used to whenever he used to come on set, he used to say, "You are a great artist. I love that scene. Your emotional scenes are very good." But when again he made another show, he again called me for a main character.
Oh.
So that was the time when I told him, "Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Now I won't be able to do this character because, for in Dhania, for a year or two, I was doing each and every day. I was doing at least 5 to 6 scenes, and they were prominent scenes. My character was very prominent. But because it was a maid's character, so it was not going to be that way. After 2 years, it was like on action, either I was entering the frame or I was exiting the frame. There was no work for me. I was not involved in any of the scenes, any important scene, any important thing. So, oh, ye to maid hai, inko alag karo. And then slowly people call you as maid ko bulao. So it's not their fault also, but all these things, then you think, I'm not here just for, holding a tray or doing nothing. Even the co-stars started telling me, I think you should now not do this. It's not right. You should not do it. So yes, it's not only the fear, it's the fact that you get typecast. People think, अरे ये बहुत अच्छा करता है ये रोल, ये चुलबुली है, ये वाला रोल बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, ये नेगेटिव रोल बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
मैम उस टाइम पे आपके अंदर की गैंगस्टर चकली तो कहीं बाहर नहीं आ जाती थी. कैसे मुझे
बड़ी मुश्किल चीज है. I have been doing either a comedy or I do negative, right? So अभी क्या होता है, बहुत सारे ऐसे शो होते हैं जहां पे शुरू होता है as a negative, like I did a show called Santoshi Ma and Perfect Pati, where I was a negative character, but then in between they made it a comic character because you are typecast. They know she can do comedy very well, they know she can do negative very well, so they always mix you. You don't get any chance of doing anything else. So it becomes nothing. You know, neither you are a comic character nor you are a villain. वो बड़ा फूहड़ सा बन जाता है फिर, वो प्रॉब्लम है। तो ये तो फैक्ट है कि आपको टाइप कास्ट कर ही देते हैं। फॉर 2 years, you know, I left acting. I said I'm not going
Okay.
to work now because everybody was calling me only for maid's character. I did, I think in 2011, I did Mantra's character for Ramanan Sagar. They made second or third Ramayan. So I accepted that role because I wanted to change. I wanted to break that
Stereotype of that notion of that you this.
notion of people ki, bhai, I can do something else also. I'll play an older lady. I will accept that role, but I will not do a character which is either comic or negative or in between. So आपको टाइप कास्ट कर देते हैं। अगर कोई मुझे ना नेगेटिव रोल भी देगा, वो 15-20 एपिसोड्स के बाद ना कुछ तो एक कॉमेडी डाल देगा। तो और वो भी बड़ा फूहड़ टाइप का हो जाता है। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सिचुएशन कॉमेडी है। दे वांट टू प्ले विद योर बॉडी, विद योर स्टाइल, विद योर टाइमिंग्स, नॉट विद द सिचुएशन।
मैम उसमें आपकी जो खुद की थिएटर की जो लर्निंग्स होती हैं, आई मीन डोंट दे कम इनटू द पिक्चर दैट ओके फाइन व्हाई डोंट यू ट्रीट मी और माय कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस बिकॉज आई आल्सो यू नो हैज सम यू नो because everybody knows the kind of because theater really you know plays a very pivotal role in shaping the actor.
Yeah.
And most of the actors, you know, I mean, you name Rakesh Bedi ji hai, yeah, whosoever comes from theater, you know, they always fall back on theater because they know for a fact, you know, that the theater
Yeah.
gives them that, you know, sense of pride on the top of it. You know, it really,
Exactly.
it is a training ground.
Absolutely. See, that's why, you know, Paresh Rawal ji, Naseer ji, Ratna Pathak ji, Seema Pawar ji, everybody, you know, they find their satisfaction only in theater. Even there is a group called Jashne Kalam. They have their Instagram handle also. So I also perform stories with them. So this is a very sad situation in like at least our country that they typecast you like anything. ये ऐसा है तो ये गरीब का रोल ही कर सकती है, ये अमीर का ही रोल कर सकती है। So many of my friends who are very good actors, but they have their a different persona, so they get roles according to their persona. Nobody experiments or try to see कि अगर ये अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है तो ये कोई भी किरदार अच्छा ही करेगी।
मैम क्या उनको
play safe actually, you know, they want to play safe.
Yeah, I want to, yeah, this I want to know from. Is there any feeling of, I mean, are they afraid of being experimental? Although filmmaking is a creative medium, or for that matter, you know, making daily soaps, or I mean, it's a creative medium, and they have all the right to create and to, you know, experiment with something which they feel like, and still there is this, you know, ingredient of, I should say, you know, of. I mean, they're being less, you know, experimental with the characters, with the artists.
Nobody wants to experiment. हर कोई ना फिल्मों का और ये अपनी सीरीज का तो यह है दे एक टाइम स्पैन के अंदर बनाना है तो बनाना है टाइप्स, और सीरियल में टाइम की इतनी कमी होती है कि दे डोंट वांट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट। डे दे हैव टू प्रिपेयर 5-6 सीन्स, पूरा एपिसोड खत्म करना है उन्हें, और हो सके तो कल का भी थोड़ा काम ले लो। एंड देन देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर ग्लिचेस लाइक कल कोई एक्टर है या नहीं है, उसकी डेट नहीं है, ये सारी चीजें होती हैं। तो सीरियल में तो स्कोप ही नहीं है, लोग कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। वहां पे आप अगर बोलो कि सर ऐसा कुछ करें ये करें तो एक तो टाइम नहीं है, दूसरा बोलते हैं ठीक है ना सर चल रहा है ना, इतने में इतना ही होता है। ये वाली चीज है। एंड आई डोंट नो, मे बी ऑडियंस ऑल्सो एट टाइम्स दे डोंट एक्सेप्ट if the experiment is done. They are also very used to कि ये वाला एक्टर है तो ये रोल कर रहा है तो ठीक है। See, Manoj Bajpayee, long time back, he had done one after his Shul and all. He did one film where he played a hero, Rajkumar Yuvraj बन गए थे with Karishma Kapoor and Rekha. क्या
मैम मैम जुबेदा जुबेदा
But he was not accepted. उसके बाद उसका डाउनफॉल शुरू हो गया था। वो एक तब्बू के संग कोई फिल्म करी थी उन्होंने, तो सब कहने लगे अरे क्या ये हीरो बन रहा है। यू नो कि हीरो मतलब क्या? द स्टोरी
नहीं मैम उसमें शायद I don't know because audiences they come from different walks of life, they have a different understanding of the art and craft altogether.
Yeah.
So शायद उनको ऐसा लगता होगा कि I don't know, जैसे आपने बोला कि पहले हम जब मूवीज देखने जाते थे हम तो सिर्फ मूवी देख के एंजॉय करके आ जाते थे,
बस हाँ,
that was
एग्जैक्टली।
our intention. But लेकिन अभी क्या है कि people audiences have they are becoming judgmental also.
They have become
uh,
very judgmental,
and
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 they,
and and a very little knowledge of the craft, I must say, because most of them do not have that
नहीं
understanding.
होती है, हाँ।
लेकिन मैम कई बार ऐसा भी लगता है जैसे मनोज बाजपेयी हैं या आशुतोष राणा हैं, उन जैसे लेवल के जो एक्टर्स हैं, उनको लगता है कि अगर ये ऐसा ना हो कि आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक समवेयर दे फील दैट दे वेरी दे टैलेंटेड जेम्स, व्हाट इफ उनको ऐसा लगता है कहीं ये भटक ना जाए, ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है, दे माइट हैव दिस नोशन. आई मीन ऑडियंसेस दे लव देम, अडोर देम, और ज्यादा एंड दे हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर दीज एक्टर्स आल्सो. तो ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा ना हो कि हीरो
They
बनने
have
लगते हैं तो
respect, but they like them when they do some typical roles.
हम्म हम्म हम्म
Like see, Manoj Bajpayee took such a long gap. Now he is doing good work,
मैं
and he
नीचे
is, हाँ,
मैम नीचे में कमेंट्स पे मेरा ध्यान गया तो आ रहा है कि मैम धनिया की मैं फैन थी और आपका ये रिश्ता क्या सीरियल की मैं आपको बहुत
अभी
लाइक
तक
किया.
वही है। Like people, even today, I know that character was very interesting and very lovable, and it was very like bubbly chubbly. And early in the initial stage, the serial was shot very well. We used to sing songs. They used to write songs. मतलब original हम गाते थे. We used to have so many dances, so much culture about cultural information about Rajasthan and all. So it used to look very good. But फिर वो धीरे धीरे वो एक typical वो हो गया, तो मेरा तो कुछ रहा ही नहीं था. Otherwise, yes, I'm very thankful to ये रिश्ता. It really gave me a lot of love and मतलब अच्छी पहचान दी उसने मुझे.
जैसे
बट
अभी
ये
आपने
हो गया कि एक स्टैंप लग गई.
मैम जैसे अभी आपने बात करी कि वी यूज टू लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट राजस्थानी कल्चर, और I mean, don't you feel like, writing, I mean, let's say, writing any play, I mean, considering, the audiences, what, the preference and anything, I mean, is there anything in the new, I mean, in the pipeline then I could expect from you?
I am thinking of writing, and at times I write, but I'll be writing stories. I don't think I can write a play, but I write stories
Okay.
because, huh. So, and nowadays we perform stories, like, many of us are performing stories. People, so like, maybe yes, someday I might soon have a book out with short stories coming from my own experiences that people can relate, because I read a lot. So I feel like whatever is told in a way which everyone can relate works better, because and all of us have same emotions,
Yeah.
just we all are doing different work. So some are known, some are like unknown, but otherwise we all experience same emotions, same problems. Everything is same. Everybody's life is same. And everybody feels the same way. The only thing is someone can say it in a better way, and that becomes, oh wow, what a poetry, or oh wow, what a story.
Ma'am,
So
whether it was your character of gangster Chakli in एक 40 की लास्ट लोका, that is my personal favorite. I told you.
thank
You
you.
know, and whether it was Dhanya's character or your role in Sankat City, और मैं माधुरी दीक्षित बनना चाहती हूँ, और इन स्त्री, और शुभ मंगल ज्यादा सावधान. I mean, जब हम थिएट्रिकल बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, इज इट इजी और इज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर एन एक्टर टू गेट इनटू द स्किन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, या फिर इज इट एफर्टलेस? बिकॉज जो ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड थिएटर देता है, obviously it is, it's a different world altogether.
Yeah, see, but the basics are same, I think as we keep on working, we become very, pro to accept or adapt to any character. But yes, in starting, because in theater you are given a lot of time, and you are like, you are bound to make a character. Like, you are not told कि okay, ये तुम ऐड कर लो अपनी पर्सनैलिटीज में. मोस्टली डायरेक्टर्स यही बोलते हैं थिएटर में कि okay, you add what you want to add. But in like films and all, you don't have to add that way. You are given something, you have to make it yours. But I find it very like, for me, it is whether it is like a nukkad or a stage or a serial, OTT or film. I take every character in a same way. I work on my characters in the same way. So I don't differentiate के मतलब ये अगर मेरा स्टेज वाला है तो इसमें मैं ऐसा करूंगी. The only thing is, because on stage you are live with the audience and you have to reach to the last
person who sits in the last row.
Yeah. So
Last
you have to be loud. So you have to be loud. But otherwise, that's the only basic difference that is between. There's a thin line, but otherwise, see, you have to feel the same way. You can't feel differently when you are doing a scene on stage, and you can't feel differently when you are in front of camera. The feeling has to be the same. The honesty has to be the same. It's the, you expand according to the distance and according to the scenario, not as per कि ये stage है तो यहाँ पे कम feel करके करना है. नहीं. For me, I'm saying maybe there might be some actors who might just do it mechanical on stage because वहाँ पे emotion उतना नहीं दिखाई देता है. अगर मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ ऐसे भी कह दूँ तो लास्ट वाले को मेरे शब्दों से लगेगा कि हाँ ये दुखी है. And when I'm in front of a camera, I don't have to do the action. I'll just look into the camera and I can say मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ.
Ma'am, I mean, I told you that I also do theater. In fact, Nukkad Nataks. I just want to know from you, is there any voice exercise, that you would recommend, that would really help me? Because, at times when you're literally on, standing on the road, performing,
Yeah.
Spectators, it becomes very, difficult for you. I mean,
Becomes difficult.
thinking whether मेरी आवाज वहां तक जा रही है कि नहीं जा रही, उनको
Yeah.
सुन रही है, how are they, reacting to it?
See, whatever we used to do when we were in school, or school, I mean to say NSD, or when I used to otherwise do the Nukkad with my group, like we used to like try not to speak from a neck, but from a stomach, which is
From a
very
step.
basic, so that there we get more power. Most of the time, even when we are doing some loud scene or some action scene in a serial or a film, we get गला चोक हो जाता है बिकॉज वो आवाज फटने लगती है यहाँ से बोलते हैं तो. So because we have a mic facility in like serials and like even बॉम्बे में तो स्टेज में भी अभी तो बहुत सारे लोग माइक वगैरह यूज करते हैं, बट स्टिल जो है वो गला आवाज फट जाती है unless until you are using your stomach, you are using your breathing right, and मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट नॉट गेटिंग कॉन्शियस. बिकॉज वो क्या होता है ना, जैसे ही कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गड़बड़ होता है ना, तो वो मेरे ख्याल से सब तार जो हमारे जुड़े हुए होते हैं ना, दे आर अनएबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली. अगर हम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के संग करते हैं ना, तो वो सारी चीजें, सारे ऑर्गन्स इतने पावरफुल हो जाते हैं कि जो हमको थ्रो करनी है आवाज, वो उतनी थ्रो होती है. हाँ, इनफैक्ट कभी कभी ऐसा जब मैं सीरियल करती हूँ या फिल्म करती हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ा हल्के बोलना पड़ता है, बिकॉज थिएटर करने के बाद वो आदत नहीं रहती है. आई थिंक आई मस्ट बी वेरी लाउड राइट आल्सो.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही था आपसे कि कई बार हम थिएटर आर्टिस्ट इतने लाउड होते हैं, इज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर द थिएटर आर्टिस्ट हु आल्सो वर्क इन टेलीविजन एंड फिल्म्स टू मॉड्यूलेट विद देयर वॉइसेस?
It is very difficult. It is difficult because we tend to speak loud, we tend to speak clean, very clear. So वो आदत की वजह से क्या होता है कि माइक यहाँ पर लगा भी है ना, तो भी वो हमको वैसे, हम उतना ही जोर से हमको बोलने की आदत होती है. तो वो ऐसा मुझे कितने बार जो साउंड दादा होते हैं वो बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा सा कम करना, या फिर अगर कोई एक्शन वाला सीन है और दमदार सीन है तो ही कम्स एंड सेज आपके माइक में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपका आवाज परफेक्ट है। बहुत सारी बार वो एक्टर्स को आके बोलते हैं कि मैम थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलिए, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है। लेकिन हमारे साथ ये सुविधा होती है, वो बोलते हैं आपका परफेक्ट है आवाज।
मैम कभी जैसे क्या होता है कि टेलीविजन में तो चलो आपको रीटेक यू गेट अ चांस टू there is a chance to retake, right?
या
And in films also, OTT platforms also. But what about when you're performing for the live audiences? ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि retake तो है नहीं, you are live. So is there? I mean, I just want to share. I just want you to share with me कोई ऐसा moment where you forget your you forgot your dialogues and it was difficult and you were live, and how did you manage?
yes, recently, as I told you, I do story and we perform stories in Bombay. सो लाइक थिएटर में तो ऐसा था कि मतलब ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि कोई डायलॉग याद नहीं आया, लेकिन वहां पर ऐसा हुआ था when I was performing one of the story, and when we perform story we enact and we perform each and every character, so we just mug up the whole 15-20 pages story. So I think it was my second performance and I was prepared. First performance अच्छी गई थी, किसी और शहर में हुई थी, and in Bombay we were performing somewhere and I performed the whole story. Everybody liked it, but when I was performing मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मैं कोई तो एक स्टेंजा पूरा खा गई हूँ, मैं कोई तो एक स्टेंजा पूरा खा गई हूँ। मुझे बार बार ऐसा लग रहा था जब मैंने वो स्टोरी परफॉर्म कर दी और मैंने उनको बोला क्या मैंने कुछ लाइंस मिस करी, तो उन्होंने बोला पता नहीं, याद नहीं आ रहा है। तो आई थिंक वो संभाल तो हम लेते हैं क्योंकि आपको पूरी कहानी याद है या आपको आगे का पूरा याद है, पर एक थर्ड मतलब आए आपको देख के बोलती है कि तू एक लाइन तो भूली है, कहीं तो कुछ भूली है, या फिर कभी ऐसा लगता है ना कि मगअप हो गया है कि बाद की लाइन पहले बोल दी और पहले की लाइन बाद में बोल रहे हैं। थिएटर में मुझे ऐसा याद नहीं पड़ता है कि कभी हुआ हो, और इनफैक्ट मेरे को एक्चुअली याद बहुत अच्छे से होता है, टच वुड। मैं एक इंसिडेंस बताती हूँ। जब हमने थिएटर शुरू किया था लेट निर्मल पांडे जी के साथ, तो आई वॉज गिवन अ वेरी स्मॉल रोल क्योंकि अर्लियर आई वॉज वेरी टिमिड, एकदम पतली दुबली सी ऐसे थी। जो मेरी जूनियर्स थी वो मेरे से बड़ी लगती थी, एंड एवरीबडी वॉज डूइंग लाइक बिगर रोल्स, आई वॉज डूइंग द स्मॉलेस्ट रोल. But because I was interested in theater, I used to very keenly watch each and every actor, their entry, their dialogues. And within a week or 10 days, I remembered the whole play. It was a big play. So, उन्होंने जब भी कोई नहीं आता था ना रिहर्सल के लिए, तो I used to proxy for them.
नहीं, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा you used to, I mean, you were the kind of a filler for all the artists. आपको तो पूरा A to Z पूरा सीन याद होता था कि चाहे कोई किसी और एक्टर को हो ना उसका, आपको
तो
होता था।
अभी भी यही हाल है, अभी भी यही हाल है। इवन जब हम ऑडिशन के लिए जाते हैं, मुझे याद है एक बार मैं किसी जगह ऑडिशन के लिए गई थी, और आजकल बहुत सारे लोग क्या होता है कि ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाते हैं, जो ऑडिशन ले रहा है उसने ही स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पढ़ी होती है, and I go prepared. I read all the direction, all the comments, all the next actor's dialogue, अपने dialogue आगे क्या करना है। And when I started performing, तो मैं अपना एक्शन जब करने लगी तो वो बोला अरे मैम आप डायलॉग नहीं बोल रहे हो। मैंने कहा आप पहले स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो अच्छे से, बिकॉज मेरे इस डायलॉग के बाद मैं ये करती हूँ और फिर डायलॉग बोलती हूँ, तो एक्शन तो पूरा करने दो पहले। सो बाय ग्रेट गॉड्स ग्रेस आई हैव गॉट वेरी गुड मेमोरी। सो आज भी मैं जो भी सीन करूं, चाहे वो फिल्म हो, चाहे वो थिएटर हो, चाहे वो सीरियल हो या ओटीटी हो, मुझे सबके डायलॉग्स याद होते हैं।
मैम आप कितने ज्यादा, आई मीन इज इट, आई थिंक ये शायद आमंड्स का ही कमाल होगा, कुछ वैसा समथिंग लाइक दैट।
But I started making almonds very late. तो
या
जब मैं नैनीताल में कर रही थी, तो I think it is because of my interest. I think so, because that time I was not eating any almonds or something. But
मैम
मुझे
मैं
बस
नीचे
याद हो जाता था।
मैम मैं नीचे यहाँ पे कमेंट्स पढ़ रही हूँ, किसी ने लिखा है हाय आई एम फ्रॉम नेपाल, आई एम योर ग्रेट फैन, हाउ इज इट इजी टू बिकम एन एक्टर, और आपका हर शो हर किरदार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब ऐसा लोगों ने आपके लिए लिखा हुआ है।
ओह,
एंड
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। एक्टर बनना मतलब, देखो ऐसा है कि जब कोई कुछ कर लेता है ना तो वो चीज उसको मुश्किल नहीं लगती है, चाहे वो कोई
यस
भी चीज। मुझे मैथ्स नहीं आती है तो मेरे लिए कोई भी सम मुश्किल ही होता है, लेकिन जिसको मैथ्स आती है वो कहेगा अरे ये तो बहुत इजी होता है। सो एंड नथिंग इज इजी, नथिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। हर चीज के लिए कोशिश करनी पड़ती है, थोड़ी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है और थोड़ा रिस्क लेना पड़ता है लाइफ में। और बाकी 25% अपने फेथ पे छोड़ देना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा जो ये फील्ड है, इंडस्ट्री है, जो ये क्रिएटिव एक काम है, इसमें नसीब बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है, बहुत बड़ा रोल
यस।
प्ले करता
एंड मैम इसी के साथ आई विश यू ऑल द लक फॉर गुल्लक सीजन 2, एंड
है।
थैंक
थैंक
यू
यू।
सो वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड पेशेंस, एंड thank you so very much. And it was a great talking to you, and on top of it, learning a lot of about theater and OTT platforms and so much. Thank you so very much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Hina. I thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I hope मैं आपके जो भी थोड़े बहुत सवाल थे उनका सही आपको सेटिस्फाइड आंसर मिला होगा,
मैम
और
बहुत
आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस चैट।
मैम जिस तरह से मुझे रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है कि आई हैव टू टेक अप पार्ट 2 एज वेल विद यू, बिकॉज लोग लिख रहे हैं हेलो आई एम फ्रॉम हल्द्वानी, प्लीज से माय हाय टू धनिया जी, प्लीज
Hi,
गाइस।
hi to everyone, and my love to everyone. And I wish you all a very happy new year 2021। आप सबके जीवन में खुशियां लाए, और जो जो एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं एक्टर बन जाए, जो इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं सब अपने अपने मन का काम कर सके 2021 में।
और मैम वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं कि खैर ये तो इट वाज आई वाज जस्ट बीइंग स्मार्ट, मैंने बोल दिया आई हैव आल्सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू टेक अप योर स्पिरिचुअल साइड इन आवर नेक्स्ट
Oh
इंस्टाग्राम
wow,
लाइव.
good, 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 good. That is very good.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Hina. Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am, thank you.
Bye.